Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement gadgets. Today, we've got something special in store for you. The Philips Shower Filter 3-Stage Water Softener, a game changer in the world of shower filters. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth product reviews. Now, let's get into why this Philips shower filter stands out as the best in the market. This shower filter is a 3-stage water softener, and it's NSF certified, which means it meets the highest standards for water filtration. What sets it apart? Well, it's all about those key features. First up, it boasts double mesh filtration. That means it tackles impurities with precision, ensuring your shower water is free from chlorine, rust, and sediments. What's the secret behind its outstanding performance? It's the KDF material, a powerhouse in water filtration. This filter reduces residual chlorine and other contaminants, leaving you with cleaner, healthier water for your shower. This filter is compatible with both hot and cold water. It's made of anti-scald material, so it adapts to your shower's water temperature seamlessly. No more worrying about uncomfortable temperature fluctuations. Installing the Philips shower filter is a breeze. You can do it in just 2 minutes, and here's the kicker: no tools or plumber needed. It's compatible with most handheld, rainfall, or fixed shower heads. This filter can handle up to 50,000 liters of water. Depending on your local water quality, you'll only need to replace it every 4 to 6 months. That's incredible value. A better life. The Philips shower filter ensures softer and healthier water for your daily showers. It's a game changer for those who suffer from dry hair, skin, or nails due to hard water. Let's take a quick look at how it works in action. On the left, we have regular shower water. On the right, water filtered through the Philips shower filter. Notice the difference? Cleaner, clearer, and ready to rejuvenate your skin and hair. So, there you have it, folks. The Philips Shower Filter 3-Stage Water Softener is truly the best shower filter on the market. It's easy to install, improves the quality of your water, and leaves you feeling refreshed after every shower. If you're tired of dealing with hard water issues, make the switch to the Philips shower filter. Check the links in the description below to get your very own. And remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, your source for all things home improvement. Until next time, stay clean and stay happy.